Guys, today we're going to start introductory use of it. It's going to be very much animated lesson to all of you. Okay, so आज का जो हमारा lesson है बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting है. So I hope that you will change your English after watching this video. So without any further wait, let's start that what is introductory use of it. So सबसे पहले कि ये कि क्या आप जानते हैं introductory use of it किसे कहते हैं? So let's see. Introductory it. When it comes in starting then gives no meaning is called introductory it, which means that जब हम it को starting में use करें और हमें कोई भी meaning ना दे तब हम इसे कहते हैं introductory it. So let's find out how. It is getting darkness. What is the meaning of this sentence in Urdu? The meaning of this sentence in Urdu is that अंधेरा हो रहा है. हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि ये अंधेरा हो रहा है. That's why we call it introductory it. It's morning. सुबह का वक्त हो रहा है या सुबह का वक्त है. ओके, हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि ये सुबह है. It's 10 o'clock. 10 बजे हैं या बज रहे हैं. It was noon. दोपहर का वक्त था या दोपहर थी. It will be morning. सुबह का वक्त होगा या सुबह होगी. So it is difficult to accept advice. So same like all other sentences, this is also one of the introductory sentence. So simply we can say that when we take it at the very beginning and it gives no meaning, we call it introductory it. Now few more examples. It's raining outside. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. So you can say that it's also introductory sentence because it is not giving us meaning while using it at beginning. It's getting late. देर हो रही है. So I hope that you have understood that what is use of it as introductory, because we have used almost in all sentences, it at the beginning, but it's not giving us, that is not giving us any meaning. That's why we call it introductory it. And now our next lesson is introductory there. Now the definition is also written. You can see on your screen. When there comes in starting then gives no meaning. जब हम there को starting में use करें और हमें कोई भी meaning ना दे, then it is called introductory there. How? Let's find it out. There is a man behind of tree. यानी ट्री के पीछे एक शख्स है, एक आदमी है. There are two persons in room. कमरे में दो शख्स हैं. There is a bridge over the river. दरिया के ऊपर क्या है? ब्रिज है. There was a lot of noise in the street. स्ट्रीट में बहुत सारा शोर था. There is no cat under the table. टेबल के नीचे कोई भी कैट नहीं है. There's no sugar in tea. टी में शुगर नहीं है यानी चीनी नहीं है. So you can see all of the sentences whatever are given on your screen that we have used there at the beginning, but there is not giving us any single meaning. हमें there कोई भी meaning नहीं दे रहा. वैसे simply we can say that there का मतलब होता है वहां. Okay, let's find that out. I was waiting there. मैं वहां वेट कर रहा था. अब देखें यहां हमने there को and में यूज किया तब भी हमें मीनिंग मिल रही है. कौन सी मीनिंग मिल रही है? वहां की. अगर हम इसी there को यहां से उठा के अगर हम स्टार्टिंग में यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? नो मीनिंग. फिर ये बन जाएगा इंट्रोडक्टरी there. और यहां पर ये क्या है? एडवर्ब है. कौन सा एडवर्ब है? She is there for books. वो वहां है किताबों के लिए, बुक्स के लिए. Okay, so I hope that you have understood introductory use of it, and introductory use of there. Okay, so now our next lesson is gerund. What is gerund? Gerund कैसे किसे कहते हैं? On the screen you can also look at the definition. ing, which means ing, is called gerund in grammar. ग्रामर में हम ing को क्या कहते हैं? gerund कहते हैं. Lying is a bad habit. झूठ बोलना एक बुरी आदत है. अब देखें lie के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया है? ing, और वो बन गया lying. Playing games is perfect for health. So playing games. So playing is gerund. Learning math is good for mind. Math सीखना दिमाग के लिए अच्छा है. So learning is again gerund. Okay guys, so I have taught you today introductory use of it, introductory use of there, and finally I have taught you gerund, and ing is called gerund in grammar. So we have learned 3 lessons in this video. If you have any problem, any question that you people want to ask, then you can text or you can comment me. Thank you very much. See you.